Hello. This very short video, it will be an extension of the video I made about making a tumbler. When I was making the tumbler, I tried lots of motors, different settings, and I had some accidents there, some a bit funny, some not so funny. And I thought you might be interested in seeing how the different motors worked. And there I leave you this little video for you to see it. Here we have the tumbler with a 150 watt motor from a hand mixer. This is much too fast, even with a drop in speed of 1 to 10. I'm lucky the tumbler didn't go flying out of the window with that speed. Here we have the tumbler with a 12-volt motor from a printer using a very thin elastic belt. It isn't capable of... Now I'm going to put a tougher band around here, if I can get it going better. Let's see. That's better. At least it gets it going. With this rubber band, it's more tense and it doesn't slip. It still seems a bit fast, but not as fast as the 150 watt motor. Now let's see with this other one. Shit. Yes, it seems to be a bit too fast. These pulleys have a difference of diameter only 1 to 1.5, so that brings the speed down just about 30%. And it vibrates much too much. The speed obviously is too fast, and that's why it throws it off the table. You must check everything is okay before you start the motor, if not, you'll have a blunder and then you start swearing even in Spanish. In this case, the little motor is moving the tumbler with pulleys in a relationship of 1 to 10, reducing the speed quite a lot, but I believe that's quite good for this kind of job. And even with another ring of rubber on the tumbler, maybe it would go even swifter and not too fast as to throw the tumbler off the table. So I've left this as the final design for my tumbler. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it, etc. Well, thanks. Goodbye.